Hey, yeah, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you're going to have a blessed weekend. So today what we're going to be doing is cooking some chicken breasts with rice in our Galanz roaster. We're going to roast it this time. I've been having requests about using the other components in the Galanz combination because I'm always using the air fryer. So this time I'm going to use the roaster, and in another video I'll actually use the oven, the conventional oven. So since we're using a roaster, what we'll need to have is a half a cup of rice. I end up having, two half a cups of rice. So basically a cup of rice. So you need a cup of rice, 2 chicken breasts. So it doesn't matter how many chicken breasts you want. I mean, you can use. I found this pan at Dollar General for $4. It fits perfectly inside my roaster because if you don't know, my roaster pan that I got from Walmart that came with the Galanz got rusted within 2 weeks. So be mindful and watch out for that because their pans are not really worth nothing, the roaster pan. But don't get me wrong, it's still a good air fryer. So I put 2 freshly washed chicken breasts inside of a pan. And I didn't even use the mushrooms, so we don't need the mushrooms. So let's get straight into the video. So what you'll always also need is some frozen or fresh broccoli, frozen or fresh bell peppers and onions. I find that this is really quick if you want to cook something easy. And some corn, frozen corn. Now, one thing I want to let you know is when you cook this, do not cook your chicken with the rice because chicken breast actually cooks a lot quicker than rice. And since we're baking it, it's going to take a lot longer. So make sure you oil your pan, but take them chicken breasts out because in the middle of cooking it, I had to take my chicken breasts out and let the rice just finish cooking. And then I added my chicken breasts. So what we'll need to do is once you're ready to add the chicken, you'll just season it. And I'm just using some simple seasoning: lemon pepper, black pepper, and garlic powder. That's all I'm using. So you can be as simple as that too as well, or you can go be extra. So I'm going to season this chicken, but keep in mind, do not add your chicken with your rice. Once you're done adding the water and the bell peppers and onions, put it in the roaster and then click roaster. Then hit 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes until you hit 35 minutes. Then click start. I don't like the preset times on there because I feel like it doesn't cook my stuff right. So I just go strictly to the minutes. So it's roaster, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes till you get to 35 minutes, and then start it. So y'all, I had added the corn to the rice later on off camera, as well as the red onions. I had chopped out those up, the red onions, and added to the chicken. And then I let it cook in the roaster for about 10 minutes, and then it was ready to serve. On the side, I had some cabbage and some chicken breast cooking as well. So what I did was, instead of adding the broccoli, I just added the cabbage, and I had put some turkey bacon inside the cabbage. But if you want to see how I made the cabbage and chicken with turkey, check out that next video. It'll be coming out tomorrow. It's fried cabbage with turkey bacon. And that was my first time ever frying cabbage, and that cabbage was awesome. So if you want that recipe, please check it out tomorrow. The video will be available in the morning. So once again, happy Friday to everybody. I hope everybody's staying safe, healthy, and being blessed. Keep your head up and watch out for that next video coming soon tomorrow, y'all.